Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best outdoor dog kennels that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Lucky Dog Uptown Welded Wire Kennel. We know that all dog owners love their dogs. They also want them to be safe. That's why we highly recommend the top-rated Lucky Dog Uptown Welded Wire Kennel. It provides your pooch the freedom of the outdoors in a safe and secure environment. Your pet's safety is at the forefront of the manufacturers of this dog kennel. While steel bars and welded wire mesh have been used to make the dog kennel, they have been welded before coating to ensure that there are no sharp edges that might hurt your pooch. This further helps in keeping the exterior free from rust and corrosion. The cover of the dog kennel deserves special mention. It is a heavy-duty steel roof frame that fits the cage and the ends perfectly to protect your pet from the elements of nature. It also comes along with UV protection that enhances durability by preventing ripping, cracking, fading, and peeling. The elastic cords are also sturdy enough to keep the cover in place without stretching or breaking. The roof is designed in a way so as to allow water, debris, and light snow to run off, instead of accumulating on it. The canine kennel features 1.5-inch raised legs that make cleaning of debris and dirt quite convenient and keep your pet in optimal conditions. Moving on at number 4, we have the CL.Store Heavy-Duty Dog Crate Cage Kennel. The heavy-duty dog kennel from CL.Store provides pooches with a large interior area to safely enjoy exercise, play, or other outdoor exercises. The kennel dimensions are as follows: L90, XW45, XH69.6. These kennels are typically available in two size variants, 57 pounds and 100 pounds. And users also have the option of combining several heavy-duty kennels together to provide their dogs with even more playing space. This kennel is constructed from heavy-duty and rust-resistant metal material to ensure longevity. The crate is coated with an epoxy finish to provide resistance against rust, corrosion, and fading that typically occurs due to outdoor use. Additionally, this heavy-duty kennel is sturdy enough to prevent being knocked down by large dogs. The kennel features a waterproof cover to help protect our canine buddies from rain, snow, debris, and to an extent, harsh UV rays. And to ensure easy cleanup of spilled dog food, urine, or poop, the kennel's base is raised 1.5 inches above ground level. The CL.Store dog kennel also has a large sliding lock for added security, with top and side entrances providing easy access to the inside. Lastly, it can be deconstructed into slats for easy storage. The CL.Store Heavy-Duty Dog Kennel is a durable product that provides dog owners and their pooches great value for money. Its living space is large enough for dogs to play and have fun. A raised base makes it possible to carry out quick cleaning operations, and pooches are guaranteed sufficient protection by the waterproof cover. At number 3, we have the ALEKO DIY Chain Link Dog Kennel. If you are in need of a DIY box kennel that can be transported and set up easily, this is exactly what you need. You will no longer need to restrict your pet to your living area because with this outdoor kennel, it is bound to enjoy a great time outdoors. This dog kennel from ALEKO measures 10 inches long by 10 inches wide by 6 inches tall, thereby providing ample space for a small dog breed to roam freely within the containment area. Your furry friend can run around and utilize the adequate space that this kennel offers while being completely safe and sound. We recommend this product because it has a simple frame assembly and is constructed of galvanized steel that also happens to be rust resistant. It also comes with a roof frame where you can install a canvas to act as a sunshade in an outdoor setting. At number 2, we have the PawHut Large Outdoor Dog Kennel. The PawHut Large Outdoor Dog Kennel measures 8 feet by 4 feet by 6 feet, making it one of the largest units on the market. The spacious kennel is ideal for large dog breeds that will have plenty of space to spread out, whether it is for playtime or a nice nap. The dog kennel could also be used for multiple small dog breeds. The PawHut large door outdoor dog kennel also stands out with its heavy-duty construction. It is made from galvanized stainless steel that is easy to maintain and very durable. If you are looking for something spacious, then this PawHut dog kennel would be ideal for you. The best part is that you can expand the capacity for more space. And finally at number 1, we have the JAXPETY Uptown Welded Wire Dog Kennel. Outdoor dog kennels are constantly exposed to the elements. The JAXPETY Uptown Dog Kennel is built in many ways to withstand all forms of adverse weather conditions. The frame and grid are made from stainless steel, which is corrosion resistant. Furthermore, this stainless steel has a powder coat finishing which offers further protection from the elements, making the dog kennel weatherproof. This outdoor dog kennel also has a protective canopy unit. This offers the dog shade when the kennel is set up outdoors. It also protects from water during rainy weather. This outdoor dog kennel stands out mainly when it comes to the quality of construction and its overall durability. If you want something that will serve you and your dog for a long time, then this dog kennel is worth looking into. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.